Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check traffic here on Semrush. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Semrush offers various tools to analyze website traffic for your domain or for your competitors. Alright, basically once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the domain overview tool on the left side panel of your dashboard. If you do, you can enter the domain, for example, your own website or your competitors in the search bar right here. Alright. For example, I'm just gonna check this website or domain, for example, the worldwildlife.org. And from here, you should be able to see the total traffic, which is 6.5 organic search traffic. You will find the widgets related to a domain's organic traffic, keywords that a domain is ranking for in Google's top 100 organic search results, right? 6.5, that's a lot. Keywords is like 820,000. If you want to view the details, you would be able to do that. Plus the paid search traffic as well. That's 30K. Keywords used are 586 and the backlinks are 7.4 million. Alright, so we have a separate video on how to analyze the backlink, but basically this is how you analyze the traffic here in Semrush. Alright, now if you hover down below, you would notice that there is also a display of the geographic distribution, countries where the traffic originates. And of course, you can compare that with the SERP features. Alright, the percentage of keywords for which an analyzed domain ranks in each SERP feature. And again, these are the top organic keywords used by that specific website, why it has a traffic. You also have an option for the branded traffic trend. You see from May this year until November, it increases by 7%. Now, if you want to view the details of the branded versus non-branded traffic, you might want to click on this option, but it requires a subscription plan as well. All right, so if you do that, you would be forwarded here. If you want to make sure that the get all the information, you can also click the traffic analytics here in this section. All right, and that would provide you detailed traffic insights for any domain. All right. Now, when you enter the domain, obviously that's the worldwildlife.org, for example, you can analyze the total visits right here for the overview, audience overview, shows traffic by channel, traffic journey, top pages, subfolders, subdomains, geo distribution, and bulk analysis. But the thing is, it requires you to subscribe to the Pro plan, which unlocks the tool without any limitation, because right now I'm using the free plan, so it's kind of a bummer, but this tool right here gives you all that information. All right, and in the organic research tool under the SEO section, again similar to that, you would be able to see the traffic trends over time, top performing pages in organic search. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.